Hey, it's John from Action Services, and right now I want to talk about the project I'm actually the most proud of. And what you see behind me is a headquarters of Action Services, and you can see behind me our own exterior showroom. This is one of the largest landscape showrooms which is built fully outside. It represents over 100 different products, different materials, everything from hardscaping to concrete products to man-made products to natural stone, different type of retaining walls, plants, landscape lights, exterior sound system. And I want to show you all. So we're walking in from here and you're starting to see a lot of plants. I'm really big believer in gardens and plants, and I truly think that without plants, the backyard would actually never look natural, and it's never gonna be living up to its full potential. There is different types of plants which we install, and there are some plants which could be high maintenance, some of them are very low maintenance. Because this is a commercial space, we had to use a lot of low maintenance products, but you can see how much of a curb appeal it makes. What you're starting to see here is a different bench products which we used to create a seating area for some of our employees as well as for some of our visitors. As we start going down this way, we're now starting to see more gardens, hidden sound system, and we're now starting to see a combination of different products. We work from super contemporary houses to something really old English type of gardens to a Victorian type of houses to really timeless traditional homes. And in this specific job, we truly wanted to showcase how a beautiful landscape project can has a combination of different materials, different colors, different textures, and how it all together could still look good. So we're now playing around with super modern and contemporary type of stepping stones with artificial turf. Our main walkway is built with slabs, and then right behind me we see a full granite natural stone walkway. Then right beside me you will see a waterfall which we built with a mini plunge pool and mini cold plunge pool. We've got more landscape lights in different areas. I'm a huge lover of landscape lights, and I think it's the best feature you could add in your front yard or backyard to add more curb appeal. We've got over 300 different landscape lights installed on this job in different gardens, stepping stones, seating areas, so the entire showroom is full of lights. And now we're getting into representation of what typical backyard would look like. Now, whether you live in a condo and you have limited amount of space, or you're trying to build a second floor, a third floor extension of your indoor living space into outdoor, a composite deck would be the best choice. This is a mini representation of a composite deck with aluminum pergola to create additional shade area, with a full modern style outdoor kitchen with porcelain tile, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. To on the other side, we're now starting to see a full relaxation area with Japanese style Zen gardens, which has a combination of ornamental trees, water features, more landscape lights, sound system right behind me. Now we're starting to see a gabion retaining wall. We're going into super classic type of Belgian brick, which is used at the bottom. We've used a town hall from Interlocking as the main walkway here. Right beside me, we see a retaining wall, which we require due to elevation difference, which we then incorporated into a bench. So other than this being just a retaining wall, we actually built a bench out of it, with now us combining this to a cordon steel retaining wall, which runs along. And then right beside it, we've got an artificial turf area, which will be cool to use for yoga, relaxation, meditation, or other activities. Or if you have pets and they need to do their business, that's the best thing you could do in your backyard, which you don't need to maintain or clean. And finally, more garden space, more plants, and more lights. Thank you very much for joining me for a full showroom walkthrough.